I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome back. JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam. I decided to upgrade my good witch, the Jadina. A buddy of mine, explicit in the club, wanted the Lumineer Frybot motors I had on this thing before, and so I'm like, take them. They're great motors, the Frybots, but they're not good on this bird for some reason. I don't know. So I put the X-Hover Lightning 0626s on this thing. And yeah, my buddy Blackhawk, who's one of my best friends, he wanted to try these motors. So I thought, you know what, I'll try them for you. So here's what we're gonna do. We got a half charge 4S. It's very windy. It was 20-mile-an-hour winds today, and I've been drinking, so this should be really fucking interesting. So for those of you that build headhunters like I do, or witches like I do, connect your battery, spin the battery a little bit so your cable goes that way, and then simply tether it up. Bam, done. There we go. Bam, the good witch. All right, see how this drinking's going. Ooh. Oh man, that's insane. Wow, I was not expecting that. These motors are sick. I really thought they'd be okay. This thing's like, watch this. Wow, this thing's nuts. I love it. Holy shit, these are great. I don't know if you guys can hear this like I can, but it's like insane. Wow. That's crazy. I love them. Wow. Can't wait to test these out. Like I said, extremely windy out. Drinking. All right. There we go, kid. X-Hovers. Bam. Very cool.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.